your sister.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new day. If you tuned into the previous vlog or the last day, you'd know that today we are going to teamLab and Pokémon Café and that I had terrible outfit planning decisions, packing decisions. The original plan was to wear this dress, but I just fucking hate it because the chest part is too chesting, and even if I move it up, it's like everywhere around is too much, but the chest is still chesting, and I hate it. And I just don't like the texture of it as well as the sleeves. So I will be trying to do the TikTok hack where this guy had boiling water in a pot and was ironing his clothes with that pot. We'll see how it goes. I might just burn this because this is like super thin and not cotton. It's brewing up a storm. How do I know when it's finished? It's not even hot. Oh, it's hot. Is it gonna make a kettle noise like it's supposed to? Or is it just gonna explode? Steaming, it's steaming, steaming. Is it unwrinkling? I don't think so. Maybe I was supposed to boil it directly from this pot. Still fucking wrinkly. You know what? Maybe that's the dress's problem. Still not working. Anyways, everyone, I lied. That dress flopped and we are back to the main story. And you know what? Now I'm wearing it. I feel okay now. I think I was just a little overstimulated. You know what? Maybe we spent the past 30 minutes being a little dramatic. But I'm okay now. I'm okay, everyone. Thank you. How do we even pose with this?
Someone downloaded me and like,
oh. Wow. And you guys can tune into Instagram to see the actual photos because I'm not putting it in the vlog. Where are we? So dark. Whoa. This is such a bright light up there. Can't see us. Yeah, the other room was steaming.
I love this place.
Just me and Yoongi. No, I like Korean. Are we a little too tall for this? I don't know. But our undies are there. That's not a good angle for me. I got double chin. Ow. What in the world? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's a hill. Already? How do we walk up that? I'm gonna drop my phone. Oh my god. My dress is wet. Hurry, give me your beanbag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is like that one Selena Gomez music video on the big bed. Oh, oh shit, that's yeah. I should have worn something with pockets. Wait, my chest, my chest.
Oh, you got a nice one. I want cheese.
Another water room. It's foggy. Yeah. How do we even take pictures?
I don't like it.
Fish.
There's fish? Real fish?
Oh, it's not.
Because she said she was stepping on this. And I was like, what?
Oh, it's pretty though.
I thought we were swimming with a fish. Towel. If only I could. Whoa. Ow. So it's just you and a big ass ball. Or you could sit in there.
not giving.
My hair volume's going down. How are we gonna take pictures for Pokemon?
How did I bought this camera?
You were getting it before. My wristbands didn't want my pictures probably. It was like, what can we do? I just have an Apple Watch on the other side. Do you have a watch?
Yeah.
I'm trapped. Oh. Wow. Universal. Oh.
To the garden area.
So back to the flowers?
Yep.
Which is where? Can barely see a thing. We're done now. It is 12:11. We spent 2 hours in there. It's time to head to Pokémon Café. We took a bunch of pictures. Should we tell them what the model is?
Yeah. X100B. She's failing.
I need hand sanitizer.
Me too.
And I'm gonna put you guys in my bag because I don't want to hold you on public transportation. Bye. We are making a pit stop since we have 2 hours left. Can you see that? And we're going to Sanrio World. Because we had to transfer train from a bus at Ginza. So we were like, might as well go here. So here we are. Sanrio World. Oh, I thought there'd be walls.
Oh, my Melody shirt's so cute.
There's more t-shirts here if you want. But Choco.
Choco's big.
I think it's still $20.
Whoa, so
Actually,
cheap. 11.
Yeah, but compared to the other one, so cheap. It's like half the price. What are you supposed to put in here? Or is that the picture?
No idea. No, you're supposed to put something in there, I think. Oh, the chocolate is so cute.
Yeah, get it. It's only $10. Let me look at Chrome's face. Yeah, but my bake's cuter.
Let me see.
I like this color better.
Yeah.
Let me check it out. Whoa, this pachaka is so cute.
Yeah.
Whoa, Apple Watch cover. They're making us boats. But they literally have 2 rows because the people are popular. How come my Melody only has 1 row? Anyways, I'll prefer Chromie, I guess.
Yeah, actually you're Chromie. I'm a pink girly, so I think I'll go with my Melody, but sometimes Cinnamon Roll always gets me. And Hello Kitty's OG, but I think I should go with my Melody. Do you know how to do these?
There's a huge Sanrio store upstairs. I'm here because my sister is trying on clothes. Jeez. Oh, not this thing from. Oh my god, I'm in there. There's me. I finally found the baby again. And I think it's $10 cheaper than the one I saw in Shibuya. $109. Baby. And we have arrived. We're like maybe 30 minutes earlier, but they tell us to arrive 10 minutes before.
We're 220 right now, so
yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna start recording. This is the menu you can bring home. Where's the chicken? I guess we'll see that later.
everything.
Wow, we're in Pokémon Café.
So you can pay and then you can come shop.
Whoa. This came with it. Whoa, the coasters.
Yeah, I bought these, remember?
Oh, that came for free.
Anyways, you ready to reveal our FaceTime?
Yeah. I want someone cute. Ready? I see it. Mine is ugly. It's a fish. Yours is more cute.
Yeah, mine's definitely cute.
Okay. Instructions. What is it? Oh, the ones on the thing?
Yeah.
Do you want them? $30?
Oh, this is
Latte.
a lot for the design, yeah.
This is a kid's plate. $10 though. That's great. Whoa.
See, this was the one I was debating between. Chicken with rice, macaroni, cheese.
What's this one? French fries.
Wait, where's the tonkatsu and all that stuff?
Yeah, tonkatsu.
Yeah, but the curry thing?
Maybe it was a special, like how these are specials. Dining with Pikachu. Oh, there's a Pikachu here. I don't have any utensils.
Oh, it's here, it's here.
Thank you.
No? Do you have a napkin?
No. Whatever, I have a wet wipe.
Oh, it's so hard to straight.
Thanks. Wow. So is this one for dessert? Wow. Wow. What do you mean that's how? It came with a grass And look, it's a tree trunk. Oh, that scared me. Pikachu's coming. Here's mine. I think it's a grape smoothie, and my sister is milk tea.
Yeah, co-stoppers in the game.
Did you win? Oh my gosh! Wow!
Congratulations!
This one's so cute.
Okay.
Wow!
Congratulations!
So cute. But it's like layered ice cream and then brownies, peanuts. Hey everyone, I just woke up and it's time to give you a haul of what we got at Ginza and Pokémon Café. I'm actually filming this 2 days later because I've been tired for the past 2 days, girl. I've been so lazy to film this haul. First off, we have at that Ginza mall. I forgot what the mall is called. Whoa, what's this bag? My sister got this dress. Well, initially my sister also got a pikachu keychain, which is on her bag, so I can't show you. But then my sister got this dress. The price ain't in here anymore, but it was around $40, $50, $60. The cashier lady, she was wearing the same dress but a different color, and my sister liked it. So we found it at the end of browsing the entire store. But anyways, that's the dress she got. Angels don't fly too close to me. Taco closets. Yep. And then after we went upstairs, and there was even a bigger Sanrio store, and I got this. My Melody baby. I've been wanting this at another store, and I think it was like $10 cheaper here, and I saw it on TikTok. But now I'm starting to think I saw something else on TikTok, because it was definitely a very much smaller plushie and not this huge. But whatever, let's open it. See, hi baby, my Melody. And then she has this pacifier. Whoa, it's like magnet. Baby bottle. Look. What the hell am I gonna do with this, you may ask? I don't know. But let's put on her pacifier again. I just think it's so cute though. She has this blankie. Swaddle blankie, I think. Lay her head. And then fold this up. And then we go 1 and 2. Hey yo, she can't breathe! She can't breathe! And here she is, swaddled in her blanket. I think her body proportions might be off from the picture. And here she is. Oh, a baby. Wow. And back she goes in the box. And then we headed down to Pokémon Café. We have here this gifts menu, and as you saw, we both got coasters that my sister bought with the reservations, I believe. For each drink you order, you also get a coaster, a plastic one, and here it is. Yup. Do I know any of these Pokemons? No. My sister initially, before the trip, was planning to buy a Pikachu plushie, especially the plushie of the Pikachu that came out to do the show. But there was none, so she was shook. And we left, so we couldn't go back to buy something, but she still really wanted something at Pokémon Café. So we went to the Pokemon store that was next door, and they had a Pokémon Café themed thing, I guess. Here it is. Here's what it looks like. Yup. And that's all for the haul. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is DisneySea, which me right now already been to. You though haven't seen it yet, but I am very tired from it. See ya! And thanks for tuning in.
This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away. Don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.